Today, we're diving into an amazing family day filled with fun and exploration in the beautiful waters of west side of Florida. Join us as we embark on a thrilling scalloping adventure with Ready to Go Adventures. Imagine gliding across the sparkling waves, surrounded by the stunning scenery of the Gulf Coast. With our knowledgeable guides leading the way. You'll learn all about the art of scalloping while creating lasting memories with your loved ones. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's something magical about searching for these delicious treasures beneath the surface. As we journey from St. Augustine to capture scallops, picture your family laughing, splashing, and sharing stories as you discover the wonders of the ocean together. Gather your crew and get ready for a day filled with laughter. Learning and, of course, scallops. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing adventures. We can't wait to see you out on the water. ReadyToGoAdventures.com